First, let's take a look at the documentation. Then we take a look at our database models. As you can see, we have 4 additional models in addition to the user models.
Maybe I'm indecisive, maybe it's all too late. Maybe I'm just
Now, let's create a new listing. Here, I would input a listing title, description, starting bid, category, and image. If the listing has been successfully created, you get redirected to the active listings page. The active listings page is the default root of the web application. Next, let's check out a specific listing. On this page, users can view all details about the listing. If the user is signed in, user should be able to add the item to their watch list. And if the item is already on the watch list, user should be able to remove it. If user is signed in, user should be able to bid on the item. Only the user who created the listing can close the listing. Users who are signed in can also comment on this page. Only users who are signed in can visit the watchlist page. This page features all listings that a user has added to their watchlist. Clicking on any of these listings would take the user to the listings page.
I can't seem to make up my mind about us. Make up this time for us. Make up my mind about.
Categories page displays all listing categories. Clicking on the name of any category takes the user to a page that displays all active listings in that category.
But believe me, I try. Now it's all too late. Now it's all too late. All too late. All too late. Oh. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's me in my head and I can't get it out. Maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm falling down. Maybe it's hazy. Oh, I almost passed around.
Finally, let's take a look at the Django admin interface. Only site administrators can view, add, edit, and delete any listings, comments, and bids made on the site. This was CS50W Commerce. Thanks for watching.